Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. So what are we talking about today? What we're talking about is what happens when FEMA comes out to inspect your property for a claim. Can it impact your flood insurance policy? Could your policy be reclassified to a different type of diagram or foundation type and things like this? Could a claim be delayed because the appropriate premium was not collected? So those are things we're talking about today. Remember, if you've got questions about flood education, flood zone changes, and flood insurance, make sure to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. So let's talk about the matter today. Can FEMA reclassify your home? So what are we talking about when we're talking about reclassification? What we're talking about is maybe to a substantially improved property, maybe to a substantially damaged property. But the bigger issue we're talking about are diagram numbers. So could your property be reclassified from having no enclosure to having an enclosure? It absolutely can. When these insurance adjusters come out and they inspect these things, FEMA are looking at these things to make sure that a property is properly rated. We've seen it before where people have a big difference in rate after a claim because their property was reclassified from no enclosure to an enclosure, or maybe from an elevated with enclosure to a basement. So these are things that can happen if your policy is not properly rated. It could be also that you have to pay a difference in premium before your claim can be completed. We've seen this as well. So that's what we wanted to talk about today was, can your property be reclassified after a flood insurance claim with FEMA? So remember, if you've got questions when it comes to things like this, make sure to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risks, your flood insurance, and mitigating your property long term to help you minimize flood losses and flood premiums. Thank you.